In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a user password in Google Workspace Admin Console 5 minutes. To follow along, you'll need a Google Workspace admin role with permission to manage users. Start by signing into the admin console at admin.google.com. Once you're in the home page, head to Directory. This is where all your people and groups live. From there, open Users to see the full list of accounts in your organization. Locate the person who needs help. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top or filter by organizational unit to narrow it down. When you find the right user, click their name to open their account page. This page collects everything about that user: profile details, security settings, and account status. Next, choose Reset Password. You'll be given two options: let Google automatically generate a secure password, or create a custom one yourself. Auto-generated passwords are a great default because they're strong and random. If you prefer to set a custom password, make sure it's long and unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything personal or reused from other accounts. Before you apply the change, check the box that says "Ask the user to change their password." This forces a password update at the next sign-in, which prevents the temporary password from lingering and helps keep the account secure. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Click Reset to confirm. Google will create or accept the new password and show you a confirmation. Now decide how to share those credentials with the user. Choose a secure method your organization approves, such as a company ticketing system or an encrypted message. Never post passwords in public channels or unrestricted chats. Remind the user that the password is temporary and must be changed right away at first login. Once shared, click Done and you're finished. If the user has two-step verification enabled, let them know they'll still need their second factor after entering the new password. It's also a good idea to ask them to review recovery options and update any old app passwords if they use legacy email clients. That's the entire process. Sign in to the admin console, go to Directory and Users, open the user's profile, reset the password, require a change on next sign in, and securely share the temporary credentials. With these steps and a few security best practices, you can restore access quickly while keeping your environment protected. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider saving it for your help desk playbook.